Hey everybody, I got here is a Jaybird Vista headphone. It's a Bluetooth headphones, and I got it at Target for $44.99. Regular price is $149.99. Save me 70% off. So this thing is a true wireless sports headphone. 6 to 10 hours charge case. What's that? Anyway, set on waterproof protection, single earbud mode, and sports fit. So I'm gonna open this up. Let's see what's inside. 6 hours of playtime and 10-hour charge plus 10-hour charge time. Charge case. I still don't get it. Yeah, I don't get most of anything anyway. Anyway, so it's a fast charge. If you charge it for 5 minutes, you get 1 hour of playtime. And single earbud mode, left and right, premium sound with custom EQ, music calls, sports fit, sweat, and waterproof. See, let's open this up. Empty box. So here's the earbud. Here's the case with a little lanyard. And here are the earbuds. So it's marked, clearly marked left and right. I'm not gonna put it on my ear yet. Oh, okay. Without reading, and I think I figured it out. This is the case and the charge. It's also a charging case. So there's a magnet over here. So this thing is a magnet here, so you can hear it click. Hear it click. And you see it won't fall down because it's magnet. So let's see what else this comes with it. So it comes with a quick guide, which probably not gonna read, and this one. Anything else inside the box? Look like there's nothing inside the box. Nothing else, just this two. So let me grab the cable. I have to rip it. Or am I doing it the wrong way? Always. Let me get my knife. So it comes with another size, probably different size earbuds. So it comes with two extras. I mean, two extras. There's another set here. Look like it's a different size, or might be the same size. Yeah, I think it's the same size. Anyway, it comes with two extra earbuds here. No one has one. Yeah. So there's already two in here. 4, 6. So 6 total. And this thing is charged via USB-C. Yay! It's fast charge. So I'll read up on this one how fast to charge this thing and the color code. Alright, so to charge this, you just plug in here and plug this to a USB brick, any USB brick or outlet. Alright, let me get charged this, then we'll test this. This case here, it has a battery in it. It has a 10-hour charge in it. If you plug it in, and it'll charge for 10 hours battery life. And if you leave your headphones inside, it'll charge it. So it says 10 hours, but it's probably less than that. And this thing alone, if you keep it out, it'll last you for at least 6 hours according to the paperwork, but it probably won't last that long. So if you just want to carry these without plugging in here, it will charge it. So just open this up. And let's see if I remember the orientation. That's not it. There you go. So that's how you put it in there. And there's a magnet right there. There's a charging port too. So, and if you close it, it's charging now. Alright. Alright, so if you just want to listen to music or you want to answer a phone call, you just push either button. You just push here. One push and it turns it on or play your whatever software you're using to play music. Or if you're answering a phone, you just push the button, either one. Now if you want to go to the next song or reject a phone call, you push twice and it'll reject a phone call. Now if you want to turn off your earphones, you just hold it for maybe a few seconds and it'll turn it off. Or you could put it back in the case and it'll turn it off automatically. Or if you leave it off and it'll turn up automatically within 3 minutes. Alright, this is the battery life after 1 hour. It was fully charged when I started an hour ago, and this is what it is now. 75%, 70 on the right, which is odd. I was having problems with the right earbud. Don't know why. Alright, I just came back from my walk and this thing fell up on my ear a couple of times. It's probably my fault. I don't know. Maybe the thing is I'm using a medium size. Maybe it's too big for my ear. Anyway, I'll change that to small. Let's see if it fits better. Anyway, it comes with 3 of these covers. So this one's here, the whole thing comes up. There's 3. There's small, large, and medium. I'm using medium right now. By the way, so when it fell on the floor, I kind of rinse it off. Then when I turn it on, it was just died. It didn't have any music coming on. It won't turn on. It's on, but there was no sound coming out of it for like 2 hours, 3 hours until it was completely dry. So that's one thing to think about when you rinse it. Take the cover off and just wipe the outside. And second thing was the right ear. The volume was lower than the left ear. So I did some research and you can have to reset it. So I reset the headset and reconnected the Bluetooth again, and it worked out fine again. So if you have issues with this one, so if the volume doesn't match, if one is slightly louder than the other one, then just reset the Bluetooth. To reset the Bluetooth, get on the case. I'll show you when I just push the button on the case itself and it'll blink. That means it's being reset. Then you can reset your Bluetooth again. Alright, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna try it for another 2-3 weeks. If it does the same, if it happens again, the volume is messed up or it just stopped working, then I'm gonna update this video and probably gonna return it. Hopefully that it keeps working. Alright, that's it. This is the Jaybird Vista. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.